Introducing in-cell donut charts for Google Sheets, a powerful way to bring dynamic, auto-updating charts right into your tables. With just a few inputs, percent, color, and variant, you can create sleek, vector-scalable donut charts within each row of your table. As you add rows to your table, Google Sheets automatically applies the chart formula, so you never need to drag it down or copy it manually. Choose from 7 unique chart styles and customize colors to match your data for a look that's both informative and visually appealing. Getting started is simple. Just click twice in the add-on menu to copy this chart template to your sheet, and you're ready to go. Perfect for automatically visualizing data trends across rows. These in-cell charts scale to any value and update instantly with changes in data. Transform your Google Sheets tables with easy, automated in-cell donut charts. Try it today and make your data stand out.